Hello students, welcome to our online session. We will start our new semester with a lot of new hopes, new learning in new ways. With all the pandemic situation moving around, let us be in a positive vibes to start this new academic year. Like every time, this time also I will be posting videos through Classroom app. I think most of you would have joined the Classroom app. Still few have not joined. Do join the Classroom app, and will be posting the videos. One Zoom classes also I can take when you really require, when any important topics and all is being covered. That time I will take using Zoom class. Otherwise I will prefer using this Classroom app session. Why? Because videos will be always be placed in that app, so that anytime you want, you can watch it over, take down the notes, follow the instruction given in each class. Last time also, with so much of effort and other things, we were able to cover half the portion through online mode only. So this time also we are starting with online mode. By God's grace, everything settled down, we will switch over to our regular mode. Until then, use this opportunity and start working towards this teaching practice exactly as per your timetable. Videos will be available, or before itself we will post it off. We will give enough time to complete the work, but do complete. Based upon the work you complete only, attendance will be maintained. That's what I wanted to tell. This semester you will be studying a paper called Operating System and Unix. As a paper is concerned, it's a very simple paper to study. It's more of theory oriented paper only. Last chapter, fifth chapter, one part only is a programming part will come. Apart from that, it is a theoretical paper. This will talk about the roles and features of operating system in computer industry. That's all. So understanding is not going to be so difficult. You don't want any big softwares to do and all. It's everyday what we use is the concept which you are going to study theoretically. As per our temporary online timetable, 4 hours of session has been allotted for us for theory, this operating system and Unix. Monday it's 9:30 to 10:30, Wednesday 11:30 to 12:30, Thursday 9:30 to 11:30, 9:30 to 10:30, 1 hour only, and then Friday 11:30 to 12:30. These are the sessions we have. As per your syllabus, you have 5 units. In that, I will be handling 2 units, first 2 units, 1 and 2, and Tara ma'am will be handling 3rd, 4th and 5th units. Anyway, both of us will be there to monitor your status and other things. So simultaneously we will start both the things. It's not that I will finish 2 units then ma'am will start and all. Simultaneously. So in these sessions, my part will be taken in one day, preferably Monday, and remaining 3 sessions will be taken by Tara ma'am. In case ma'am is free and other thing, I will post off my session video over there. When do utilize these session videos. And other thing to be instructed is lab is concerned. Here you have to do a programming called shell programming. This is one part of Unix operating system. This is one part where you can do using Unix operating system. This time lab is very simple. If you get one, hardly 10 days class we can finish off the lab, like that it is. So initially we will start with the theory part. In case any tools or online tools are available, simultaneously we will start with our practicals also. Programs also is very simple. So this semester you can take this paper very lightly, very light subject. If you can concentrate towards our own sessions and notes, whatever we give, you will be able to manage this paper. Since this is our first class, I just want to give you an idea about the subject, so that next class when Tara ma'am starts, you will know what she is continuing with this topic. So when it comes to operating system and Unix, Operating system is a software, okay, it's not a hardware. Software which is installed by the manufacturing unit itself. So this is not a software which is installed by us, it is installed by the manufacturing unit. So when you buy a mobile phone or when you buy a laptop, desktop, these operating system is a software which will be pre-installed and we will get. So if you could remember, in a computer architecture we will study CPU is called brain of the computer. Here see, this act as a brain of the computer. Okay, you say heart of a computer, brain of a computer, but operating system is a concept which enable the overall managerial activity of the system. Okay, that is taken care by operating system. Every device has an operating system to work with. With the help of operating system only we are able to control, coordinate, perform actions. A simple example to tell, see, any system we communicate, we all communicate in English. But when computer is concerned, computer doesn't know English, we all studied computer can understand only binary language. So user will communicate in English, system can understand zeros and ones. So we need a translator between user and the computer. So OS is the one which acts as a translator between a user and the system. So whatever command I give in English, system OS is it's a responsibility of operating system to convert into machine understandable language, and then machine whatever system wants to send me back, it won't send me the answer in zeros and ones, it will be in English statement because user can understand only English statement. So to get back those statement in user understandable language, OS is once again retranslate and send it back. So one major role of operating system is translation. Apart from that, from the time you switch on the computer till you switch off the from the time you switch on the computer, like say if you press this laptop or a desktop, its system get boots. Booting is a process also taken care by operating system. A fraction of system will check whether all the software and peripheral devices installed to the computer is working or not. That is taken care by the process of booting. Even in that system is there. See, if you shut down, you will get a message. Do you really want to shut down? Yes or no. That also is a work of operating system. See, directly don't shut down. It will just tell the user thing. And then if you want to give a print command and printer is not installed, it will say you message printer not found. Same way, you have a printer installed, but you did not save the you did not insert paper, then it will show printer out of bound. Anything we do, if it is correct, it will say successfully saved. Not done, it's not able to recognize, it will tell it's not able to recognize. All these activities, even in, see, operating system is not only there in the computers, even mobile phones we have operating system. Example you take, when your mobile charge come to 15%, you will get a message battery low 15%. Then after some time it will show battery low 5 minutes, it will switch off. See, information to the user it is giving. It is a work of the operating system. So the entire computer activity is taken care with the help of operating system. It's a very interesting concept to understand. See, every day we use lot of devices, lot of communication we do use the visit, but we don't know who's the central manager. So operating system acts as a manager in your computer system to manage all the activities happening in the thing. One more thing, I'm not telling it is operating system who's performing the job. Role of operating system is managing and coordinating and controlling. A role of manager, that's all. It will give the instruction so that the system and user can work properly. Okay, in both the ways. Any device is not working, then also operating system will identify this particular device is not working and it will inform the user. Like that, in overall management, it plays as a vital role. So when it comes to our chapter is concerned, Our chapter is being divided into 5 units. First unit will talk about introduction to operating system, benefits, role and other things. Then we will move on to process management. So process means system, whatever we do activity, that is called process. When I save a file, print a file, copy a file, open a paint and work on the file, whatever we do, that we call it as process. So anything in action we call it as process. That processing, in processing, any action you do in your devices is taken care by operating system. Second chapter will talk about process management. This is chapter 1. Chapter 2. Chapter 3 will talk about memory management, computer memory and secondary storage management. In memory management, so here we will talk about what is the role of memory. Space idya, elli allocate agbeku, which space should be saved, whether you are saving it in your D drive, C drive. See, if you take your mobile phones and all, we can store it in an external hard disk, the SD card, or within your phone's memory. So all these decisions, ಎಷ್ಟು space ಇದೆ, how much space is there, how much space can be allotted, whether your memory is full. See, in case if you have a mobile phone where you have downloaded a lot of games and videos and all, you will say memory full. You need to delete something. That is also taken care by operating system. So here memory management, disk management, secondary storage management, everything is taken care under third chapter. And fourth and fifth chapter, see, we have varieties of operating system available. Very common operating system is Windows. Most of us, all our computers are installed with Windows operating system. Apart from that, we have operating system called Linux, we have operating system called Unix and other thing. Apart from that, we have mobile operating system like Android operating system, and every company has a different operating system. Even everybody's mobile phone has one operating system. So that is the thing. So we will study about, see, Windows operating system is quite common. We all have practically worked with this. So for your semester, they have given Unix operating system. So next 2 chapter, you will study about Unix operating system. In this Unix, there is a facility to do small amount of program. That is the lab we will be focusing on. Okay, so this is your portion about. So we will concentrate on all these topics. Your work, today's your work is to be anyway. Find out, everybody has a device, that's the reason. Any one device you have, let it your laptop, mobile phone, anything you would have been watching this video, no? Message me after watching this video in the assignment section. Message me which operating system your device has been installed with. And only one operating system you can have in your system. You can have dual mode and install 2 operating system also. Let it be your mobile device or your laptop or your desktop, anything. Wherever you are watching this video, find out which operating system your device is using and put it in the assignment section. That will be your assignment for this class, and whoever is submitting the assignment will be given attendance for this session. Hope you got an idea about the operating system. We will end this session. We know with lot of difficulties, with lot of challenges in front of us, we have also started online session. Make best use of it. Any doubts, any clarification, you can always post it in our WhatsApp group, or you can message us in the classroom app itself. Do utilize this opportunity and then get benefit out of it. Thank you. Have a nice day.